So children, you know that the English alphabet consists of 26 letters in all. Of these, the vowels A, E, I, O, U. Okay, U. And the rest of them are consonants. So, how many letters are there? There are 26 letters. Right? How many letters? 26 letters are there. Out of them, A, E, I, O, U. Right? These are the 5 vowels. You know that very well. Right? And the rest of the letters are consonants. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So the letters which I have circled, these are vowels, and the letters underlined, which I have put a green line, underline the letters, these letters are consonants. So how many consonants are there? There are 21 consonants in English alphabet. So it is very important to remember the 5 vowels and 21 consonants. This will help you to put a and an before the noun. So let's study the rule where to put a and where to put an. So children, now we will learn about indefinite articles. As I have told you, a and an are indefinite articles. Why are they indefinite articles? Because these words do not point out any definite person or thing. Okay. So first we will learn about the use of a. Right. We use a before consonant sound. Remember that? Sound. Okay. I have written all the consonants inside this. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are 21 consonants. So whenever we get the sound of these consonants, we will put a before that noun. Okay. Next point is, it is introduced before a singular countable noun. Always remember, we put a and an before a singular noun. Okay, like this, cow is a singular noun, book is a singular noun. We cannot put a or an before plural nouns. Okay, we cannot say a cows, we cannot say an oranges. No, it is wrong. So, always remember, we always put a or an before singular countable noun only. What do you mean by countable? The noun which can be counted. Like we can count cow, 1 cow, 2 cow. We can count book, 1 book, 2 book. So these are countable nouns. These are singular. We can put a or an before them. Now what is the rule to put a or an? A is always put before a consonant sound. So here let's speak this word cow. So what is the sound? K. And K is a consonant sound. So what we will write? We will write a before it. Right? Now beetle. What it is? Beetle. So what is the sound? What is the first letter? B. But what is the sound of B? B. So it is a consonant sound. We will again put a before it. Same here, book, consonant sound, a before it. Deer, the consonant sound, a before it. So remember where to put a. What are the rules? A is put before the singular noun. That noun should be countable. That should not be plural. We do not put definite articles before plural nouns. And second, the main thing, we always put a before the consonant sound. And these are the 21 consonants. Okay. Now next we will learn about the rules where to put an. So now next article, an. Use of an. An is also an indefinite article, comes under indefinite article only because it also point out indefinite person or thing. Now what are the rules? We use an before a vowel sound. Remember always. So I have written all the 5 vowels. How many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U, जिसे हम स्वर कहते हैं हिंदी में, right? And always remember the first sound when we speak any word, the first sound, if it is a vowel sound, we will put an before it. Okay. Next rule is it is used before singular countable nouns like A only. We always use a and an with singular noun only, and that noun should be countable, right? We can count that particular noun as 1, 2, 3, like 1 egg, 2 egg, 3 egg, right? We can count eggs, है ना? But it should be singular. We cannot use a or an with plural nouns. Okay. Now let's see some example. Dash aeroplane. A. First sound is a. And a is swar, a is vowel sound. So what we will write? We will put an before it. Next is dash egg, right? Egg, a. Again vowel sound, we will put an before it. Dash umbrella, umbrella, a. Again vowel sound, we will put an before it. Next, an r. You will say, ma'am, here it is H. So I have told you, don't see the first letter, which letter it is. Don't categorize it is a vowel or it is a consonant. It is a H is a consonant. But here when we speak this word, what is the sound? R. H is silent over here, and the sound comes is a. Right? Again, a sound is vowel sound. Swar hai. So we will write an before it. So remember always we have to speak the word first. We have to pronounce that word correctly first. Then only you will come to know what to use. Where to use a, where to use an. Next is ink pot. I-E sound, ink pot. So again it is a vowel sound. Swar hai. So we will write an before it. So I hope rules are very clear to you. You have to put a or an with singular countable nouns, and where to put a. A with consonant sounds, right? And an with vowel sounds, right? So remember these rules. Then only you will able to frame the correct sentences using a or an. Okay. So